Welcome to Best Useful Tips. Here I will show you how to change theme on Windows 10 PC, desktop or laptop devices. In this tutorial I will show you two methods to change theme in your Windows 10 devices. Let's see first method. Right click on the tap on personalize. Again you can see background colors, lock screen, themes, fonts and other options. Tap on themes. You can see by default set custom theme on your Windows 10 PC, desktop, laptop. You scroll down and you can see different theme, Windows 10, flowers. Tap and you want to see change on the background on your Windows 10. It's quite easy to change theme in your devices. Let's see other method. Tap on start, tap on setting. Here you can see personalization setting. Tap on again themes, scroll down, tap on this to change on your Windows 10 background. You can see change background in your devices. If you don't want to use this theme, set a custom theme again.